Happy November. This is gonna be real short. I got my hair done. I got auburn color braids for Thanksgiving. I love the holidays, so I got my braids with the curls on the ends. Yeah, I just got my hair done and I think it's cute. So this is the color I'm going with, and y'all see the curls in the back. This is the color I'm going with. And I love my hair. And it's cute. So anyway, comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And I will see y'all. Y'all see the edges? Cute. I will see y'all later. Bye.